Welcome to our tutorial series on sfirionBIM. In this video we will show you how to create a 4D schedule. For this you need a desktop installation of Microsoft Project. Additionally you need the right add-in. Go to our website www.sfirion.de/BIM. Scroll down to the sfirionBIM add-in for Microsoft Project and click on Download for Windows. First, we create a new project. For the 4D planning to work, the project file must be saved first. The add-in then drops an additional file with the same name and different extension where the BIM links are saved. Next, we set the task mode to automatic. Now we go to the menu tab sfirionBIM and log in with our sfirionBIM account. After login we can link our schedule project with a BIM project. Once a project is connected, we get a model viewer. With the right mouse you can rotate the model. Hold down Ctrl or Shift to slide the model. Use the mouse wheel to zoom. Click on elements to select them. Hold down the Shift key for multi-selection. In the ribbon, you have the option to download model updates, upload the 4D simulation, show or hide the BIM-specific views, as well as other tools that we'll take a closer look at in a moment. We now show the BIM structure. Here you can see the hierarchical structure as it was created by the planning tool during the IFC export. We expand all the nodes. In the following we will show you different ways how to create a 4D schedule. We start with the more automatic method. For this we select Generate Tasks. Next, we need to specify up to which level of the BIM structure we want to group. For a one-to-one mapping we select all levels. When we click Generate, the corresponding tasks are created and tasks and elements are linked. For a working schedule, we only need to set the relationships and assign durations. For this example, for the sake of illustration, we will choose a somewhat unrealistic sequence in which the walls are manufactured one by one. Now we can take a look at the simulation. For this we have to activate the simulation mode. This will give us a timeline in the BIM viewer and we can look at the individual days. If you drag the mouse in the upper half of the timeline, you move the timeline. If you drag in the lower half, you will zap through the days. We arrange a suitable view and export the simulation as a PDF. Here we can set the title and logo for the resulting document. In the PDF, each page then represents one day. In the upper part of the page the state for this day is shown as an image and in the lower part of the page the affected tasks are listed. Let's try the manual method of creating a 4D schedule. We create a collection task walls. Then we create a task for each wall. To do this, we select the elements and choose New Task from our ribbon. This creates a new task, but it is already linked to the elements. We rename it and assign a duration. We show you how to link existing tasks with the door. We create the task. Then we select the task for the door and the model element and click Link Selected Elements and Tasks in the ribbon. Finally, we create a task for the windows. Now we only have to set the relationships. Then we can look at the simulation. Now you can export the result as a video or PDF. It is also possible to export and import the links between tasks and elements as a link table. This can be useful if you get a new schedule file or a new model, however, the IDs must remain the same. We would like to add that tasks and elements can be linked on the basis of attributes. Here you give both the elements and the tasks a code, and all tasks and elements with the same code are then automatically linked. Let's save the project and make it available to the other participants of the project. Let's now take a look at the sfirionBIM app. Here, we now have a new version including a 4D simulation. We hide all the icons we don't need and activate the simulation with the 4D button at the bottom left. Here we can now jump back and forth days, months, or years. Finally, let's take a quick look at our demo project to see what a larger scale project can look like in 4D simulation. Here we better jump over months. You can see a list of affected tasks on the bottom left, similar to the PDF. So distributing the 4D schedule via the app is a quick and intuitive method of communication. Thank you for using sfirionBIM. For more information, visit our website www.sfirion.de/bim.